You know, because 99 a big deal, you know, so me only talk about 99 right now. Yes, 99. We see that yes, congratulations. We see say you put up your name bad putting license. Which is it you should have do that long time. You should have do it long time. So because you go and like say you run Jamaica. But thank God the Jamaican government put pressure upon you and everybody else to register on the charity. Then I want to know now, 99. You register Nyambat Pudding Charity. Are you going to continue collecting money with that type of millions of dollars and don't register your charity? Because I watched the Jamaican something and I saw where the Jamaican government says that everybody who is having a charity, it must be registered by February. So I would like to know if you're going to register your charity, or you're not going to. Because if you not register your charity and you collect certain money, well, something is wrong. That means that the government get a cut out of it. Because why should you? Because I think Mr. T Nation register film charity. Because the other day I see my give out certificates and pin. So I am assuming that he registered his charity. And I think Anna registered his charity too. So me want to know, and nobody know all money like you. So I want to know, how is it that you take out license then too? Then how you say you come a foreign? Then how you take out license you come a foreign? So you plan to go back, you plan to just come America and get the green card and go down. Well, that Ross not gonna work. Because America changes law, you have to spend at least a year first America before you go back home to get your green card. And you have to pay taxes. You know, bumbo clock come here and don't pay no fucking taxes. And things say, you're just going to come up here, go and run back and go pay a little time and run back. No, American government not ramp with that. So I hope you know that. So I am saying to you, are you going to register if you're going to continue to collect money for people, all those millions of dollars? Because when you collect money in a child, you not collect a little bit of money, you know. So I am going to ask you, are you going to do the right thing and collect? Are you going to do the right thing and collect? Go do your something. Because the same way, you spend the time and go get your Nyambat put to register at the same place you register your charity. Then how is it that you go and register your Nyambat pudding and at the same place to register your charity and you don't call it a name? Whether I want to name Good Deed, whether I want to name Planka Charity, then all you spend time and register Nyambat pudding. Then all you say I come America. Then if you get through to come America, then when you get through, you're not supposed to leave the country in 6 months times. Then how you gonna register charity? Then I walk make it put for your parlor, Antina, and the boy them. Then how that go? Then how that go? Cause she a big deal, she a big deal, so me talk about she. So me just put him a little 2 cents, cause when me see me put him a little cent in me. And that me want to know too. So me want then people who no curious fear. Remember saying no, them say me a mad somebody. Cause you know say mad somebody talk all kind of something. And them say no me this, me jealous and me bad mind and me all kind of something. So me see it and me say yes you register. But wait yeah. But me no see me see her show 2 little stove me see her show little stove. Some pretty little stove in your kitchen. Then when you buy so much stove, then oh you say Tina never teach you nothing. But now them same stove, them say Tina with long time. Where you have? Then could have always call me one eye jack or one eye jack, not a for them business, not for with me. You can call me that too. Yes. Yes, if I one eye jack, let it one eye jack it is. If I 2 eye jack, make it 2 eye jack it is. Call me any, uno make any name, uno want me any name. I'm sitting right here in my vehicle that is paid for. Me have a good, me have one sweet piece of dicky I get. Me have money in my pocket and me have my own business. And me soon go move in my apartment very, very soon. So me not care, call me any name when I want. Call me that now distract me from then talk when me need to talk. Go about your business. They call me any name. Call me 1 eye, call me 2 eye, call me 3 eye, make it blind. If you blind, it's my fucking business. It's not yours. You should have glad your one ain't blind. So if my one is blind, welcome to the blind club. A whole heap of blind people out there. So if me blind, welcome to the blind club. So fucking what? Welcome to the blind club. So what happened? Because we blind, we can't live a life? Because we blind, we can't talk? Because we blind, we can't get little dicky. Marcia the business. Yes, well, I just a while ago, me see it for once on YouTube. So me see it for YouTube. So me think so when you're going to register a charity, when you're going to, so what she put you up for then, today then? Then I see somebody say they can't give me. Then me detective, then I make it ever see. Then if you want to register for your business. But me sister, she have few a whole heap of stove in there like a Tina. They own a sound and I had me and each other. No, sir. Then me ask a question. The next thing to you, 99. I don't understand. You are such, you say you're a millionaire. When the ear touch me in my face, you know. Yes, me dear. Yes. Yes, them say me mad, and me shad, and me ugly. Let me turn right here. You say you're a millionaire, right? Then if you say you're a millionaire, and you have so much money, if you buy BMW, how much taxi and how much now a bus, and you have build house. So me ask a question. So wouldn't it better if you go in a town and rent one building and buy one piece of land and build one piece of and build one bakery company? So instead of you invest if buy one BMW car, then in a better if you did in a better if you buy one little building and fix up your remodel it and put a kitchen in there. And then you in a better then always that. Then how you have your kitchen in your house? I take up space.